6 YouTube niches to make money without showing your face? Let's explore them. Number 6. The food niche. Creating a YouTube channel about food is a great idea that's easy to start. You don't always have to cook yourself or come up with unique recipes. Some channels focus on exploring and enjoying different foods and cuisines, trying special dishes and reviewing delicious treats from all over the world. To get an idea, let's take a look at the Dancing Bacon's channel. As you can see, they have almost 3 million subscribers and they upload food review videos, like the original jiggly cake cutting with over 100 million views in which they don't show their faces. Using Social Blade, a free Google Chrome extension that measures how much money each channel is making from ads, we can see that this channel is making around $40,000 per month, with a more realistic estimation being from $15,000 to $35,000 per month. And that's just from the ad revenue alone. The best part about these kinds of channels is that you can outsource the whole video making process to others and just upload the video to your channel afterwards. But if you want to do things your way, just grab your camera or phone, share your food adventures and tell viewers what you think about the flavors. Number 5. The car niche. Creating a car YouTube channel without showing your face is possible and still a lot of fun. Let's have a look at YouCar, whose main content is around reviewing and showcasing cars. It counts over 2.5 million subscribers and it is estimated to make around $20,000 per month according to Social Blade, but realistically speaking in this YouTube niche, the earnings are closer to the higher end. You can see that a car YouTube channel has great potential and it can pay you a large amount of money. To give you some additional ideas, if you're into do-it-yourself car projects, you can create step-by-step videos. Just record the process and explain the steps using voiceover. Or, if you like car events, you can attend car shows, races, or automotive events. Capture the excitement and showcase the events without necessarily appearing on camera. Number 4. The gaming niche. Gaming has gained a lot of popularity in recent years and the gaming industry is growing rapidly. So, creating a gaming channel is a very good option as you will have a really wide audience. A good example is GameSprout, which uploads gaming montages and has over 3.6 million subscribers. According to Social Blade, this channel is estimated to make around $11,000 per month and it has gathered over 2.5 million views in the last 30 days. But realistically speaking, this channel is estimated to make around $7,000 to $8,000 per month, as gaming channels generally have low CPM. We will talk about CPM in a bit, so keep watching. Also, if you go to the popular upload section of the channel, you can see that many of their videos have over 1 million views, with some even going beyond 10 million views. If gaming montages aren't your cup of tea, you can make other types of gaming content like gameplay commentary, game reviews and tips, and game highlights. The best thing about this kind of channel is that not only you can find plenty of games and clips about them online, but you can also ask your viewers to submit their clips. This makes the whole content searching process way easier and faster. Be careful though, while there is an obvious interest in gaming videos, there are many gaming channels out there, meaning the gaming niche is somewhat saturated. But don't get discouraged, you can still create a successful gaming channel if you make quality content, like reviewing different games or making well-made gaming montages that can grab and hold the viewer's attention. The better you get at this, the better the results will be. Number 3. The travel niche. Traveling is super popular and people want to watch content about it. Maybe they want to learn more about potential travel destinations, or they simply want to learn interesting facts about different places all over the world. By creating a traveling channel, you can inform and entertain the viewers at the same time. Right now, we are on the main page of the Travel World, a traveling channel that has over 450,000 subscribers and primarily features amazing sites from different countries around the globe. On the Social Blade website, not only we can see that it has around 10 million views in the last 30 days, but its potential yearly earnings range from around $26,000 to almost $400,000. The reason why this channel has a wider profit range than other channels with more subscribers is because travel niche channels have a higher CPM. CPM means cost per mile or cost per thousand. it is how much advertisers pay for showing their ads to 1,000 people. So, when we say that travel niche channels have a high CPM, it means that they gain more from ad revenue than other channels, which in turn means that generally there is a high interest in traveling content. By clicking on the first video, for example, it's clear that the creators of the channel don't travel to each location that they are showing, but instead they use clips from stock video websites like storyblogs.com, pixabay.com and pexels.com. As you can see, you can create an exciting traveling niche YouTube channel without packing a suitcase. Number 2. The sports niche. Sports are like a magical world to people. They bring joy, excitement and unity to communities worldwide. That's why sports hold a special place in the hearts of people everywhere. Based on that, a sports channel is a good option considering what kind of YouTube channel you want to create. Sports HD is a great example of a successful sports channel. It mainly focuses on football videos and it has amassed over 4.5 million subscribers. Social Blade show us that this channel had over 2.5 million views in the last 30 days alone, and it is estimated that the monthly profits can be over $10,000. But because sports channels have a low CPM, the monthly earnings should be somewhere between the middle and the higher end, around $7,000 to $8,000 per month. It's advisable to focus your content around one kind of sport only. This way, you help the YouTube algorithm to understand quicker what kind of content you upload, and it will promote it to the right audience. For example, if you upload basketball content, the algorithm will suggest your videos to basketball fans and not, for example, to golf fans, which is precisely what you want. If you don't stick to one sport, you will make things harder for the YouTube algorithm to understand your kind of content and in turn suggest your videos to the wrong audience. This will lead to a low engagement rate, meaning that your random audience will only watch some of your videos as they may not be interested in each of them. This is a problem because if they cannot stay interested in most of your videos, you will gradually lose subscribers. This is something that you should always have in mind as it applies to all kinds of content creation regardless of its niche. Number 1. The tech niche. Starting your own tech YouTube channel is a notable option as we live in times of constant technological innovation and channels like this can be very versatile. For starters, you can showcase tech marvels like displaying the coolest tech products and gadgets on your channel, or you can create videos regarding the history of technology like sharing the incredible progression of technology over time, from vintage gadgets to futuristic inventions. But as we previously said in the sports niche, you should stick to one kind of content. What we want to say here is that each niche has its sub-niches. When you create content around a specific sub-niche, you attract people who are interested in it. But if you add more sub-niches, you might confuse them and make them less engaged in your channel as a whole. Just to be clear, this is entirely up to you and how well you will manage the content of your channel. You can also do honest product reviews. As a product reviewer, you get to try out various products and share your honest thoughts about them. Your reviews can help people make informed decisions before purchasing. Being genuine and trustworthy is the key. Your viewers will value your authenticity, and over time, you will build a loyal audience who trust you and your reviews. The last one can be even more profitable as you can use affiliate marketing to earn money by promoting the products you showcase or review. When your viewers make purchases through your links, you will earn a commission. That means that you will have an additional source of income besides ad revenue from views. To do that, you can take part in affiliate programs from different companies like Amazon, Banggood, AliExpress, etc. But you have to research each company's affiliate program in advance, as each program gives different commissions. If you are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the description. UFactTech does this incredibly well. Firstly, we can see that it has over 850,000 subscribers, and looking at the Social Blade panel, the monthly profits can potentially be around $18,000, which can lead to over $200,000 per year from ad revenue alone. In general, keep in mind that tech niche channels have a high CPM. If we click, for example, on the most popular video and check on the description, we can see an affiliate link for every product included in the video. The more well-made your video is, the more people will be interested in buying these products using your links. Now, if we consider the profits from affiliate marketing too, the total earnings are much higher. Generally, the earnings from affiliate marketing can be much higher than those from ad revenue. So, you have two choices if you want to start a YouTube channel. Try to figure it out your own by testing things and learning through trial and error, which can really take a lot of time, or learn from someone experienced who has already gone through the exact process we just mentioned. In this case, we introduce you to the Tube Master and Monetization program that can help you make money on YouTube even without making videos yourself. What is amazing about this program is that it allows you to ask any question you have along the way. So, if you are interested, you can check out the best YouTube course in the market, Tube Master and Monetization, and join a private Facebook community through the link in the description. We genuinely vouch for this course because it offers valuable information and has the potential to transform your YouTube channel into a success and possibly your life too. As always, make your time valuable, make your own money moves.